Hello guys, welcome to one more rep. Today guys we are going to get some light on this guy called Hadi Choopan. Yes guys, he is the third finisher in previous Olympia 2019 Mr. Olympia. He come at third place. But guys, today we are not talking about how good he was. Today we will talk about his impact on 2020 Mr. Olympia. As we all see that Hadi Choopan come in crazy level of conditioning. The conditioning which we were used to see in 90s like Ronnie Coleman, Flex Wheeler, Jay Cutler. At that time, conditioning was so much important. But in recent couple of years, we can see that the level of conditioning is like lesser and lesser, and people are used to play size game more than the conditioning. But as you will see that when the presence of Hadi Choopan will be in 2020 Olympia, I really believe that all people will be coming, or not all, maybe most of them will be coming in super crazy conditioning, because in 2019 guys we have seen that Hadi Choopan was like more conditioned than most of these guys on Mr. Olympia. And I was even thinking that he should have placed second, but judges decided to put him on third, which is a little bit controversial in my opinion, but it's past already. But now guys, if you think that people are not used to come in so much conditioning as Hadi Choopan is, and they know that when they will stand next to him, even though he's smaller bodybuilder, he can exploit their weakness because of this level of conditioning, the level of muscle separation Hadi Choopan has. So it's going to be really dangerous. He's a really dangerous bodybuilder because he comes in the crazy conditioning. And these all other guys in 2000 Olympia were coming already know. So as we seen that Rolly Winkler, who used to play size game a lot, has changed his way of training or way of preparing for Mr. 2020 Olympia, and now he's like in crazy conditioning. As we see in his physique update, he had like a downsize a little bit, but he look a lot more conditioning than he used to in 2019 Mr. Olympia, which for me I think is a very good sign for Rolly Winkler. So guys, this is the impact Hadi Choopan is going to give on 2020 Olympia, because they all know that he's going to come in conditioning. I expect him to come in conditioning like 2019, if not better than 2019, at least 2019 I expect him, and so the other guys too. Guys, before continuing, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and help to get me to the 1000 subscriber mark too, so we can grow. Let's grow our family guys. So please subscribe if you like bodybuilding and MMA news. Subscribe to this channel guys. So let's continue. So this is the conditioning Hadi Choopan is going to bring. I expect him to bring, and this all people know, and this make them go work on their conditioning diet very harder than last time. And this you can see Phil Heath death face, Rolly Winkler in shape. Guys, this Olympia is going to be so much exciting. It's going to be the presence of Phil Heath is coming back for his 8th title. Hadi Choopan will be there in crazy conditioning. Rolly Winkler is looking like so much good than last time. Brandon Curry has so much motivated to defend his title. It's going to be so much crazy guys. It's going to be amazing Olympia this time. So guys, this is my view on Hadi Choopan, that his impact on 2020 Mr. Olympia. What do you think guys? Please comment in comment section below and tell me what you think about this guy Hadi Choopan. I'm not hyping this guy, just talking that the game of conditioning, it's so much good for bodybuilding now that bodybuilders are again focusing on conditioning and size and symmetry, more than size and symmetry, because this is make bodybuilding more beautiful, not just size game like big come and big freaky and not just conditioning at all. So guys, this is very good news for Olympia and very excited. What do you think? Just comment in comment section that what do you think about Hadi Choopan and who will win 2020 Mr. Olympia. Let's see what you think guys. I will come back with another video like this. Hope you like this. If you like, subscribe to my channel and like this video, share with your friend. We'll catch you another one. Until then, stay safe, have a good day.